we are strengthening Kenya. Kuna watu wanatuambia tunafanya kampeni. Hapana, naibu wa rais na sisi tunaunganisha Kenya from the bottom up, sio ile ya wadozi kuja chini, tunaanzia hustlers ikienda juu. And that is where we want to take Kenya. Ikifika siku ya elections tutaongea mambo ya election, but today we are only speaking about how to unite the Kenya nation bottom up, not up down. Tuju amekuja press conference akasema lazima wote tushike huduma namba. Yeye ni waziri ya nani? Ama alikula pesa ngapi kwa ile 7 billion yenye walitumia siku ile kwa kufanya huduma namba? Raphael Tuju must be investigated. What is his personal interest in huduma namba? Or he is looking for money to pay his debt that has been publicized across the country. He cannot force us again to go back to get huduma number until we account for the 7 billion that was wasted kwa hii mambo ya huduma number. Because if we must unite this country, we must move forward. And I want to tell Tuju, you are part of the cabal, a group of people in this country who believe that public institutions should be privatized. You privatize the sugar companies. You are now wanting to privatize Kenya Airways. You want to privatize the port. You want to privatize the railway. You want to militarize Nairobi County. Now you want to privatize Jubilee. I don't know if you want to appoint another military officer to run Jubilee or what you want. We are saying that as a democratic nation, we are not going to accept a process of privatizing public entities and public political parties.